Cooling mode not engaging after thermostat installation is usually either a built-in compressor delay or a wiring terminal mismatch. Here's exactly how to diagnose and fix it fast. Start by confirming the thermostat model supports your system type and that you selected the correct system configuration in the thermostat setup menu. If it is a heat pump versus separate heat and cool system, many thermostats will swap terminal behavior and must be set correctly. Next, check for the common compressor anti-short cycle protection. Modern outdoor units often prevent the compressor from restarting for a minimum of 5 minutes after power-up, or a recent run to protect the compressor. Leave the system powered and wait 5 to 7 minutes to see if cooling engages. Inspect every wire at the thermostat and at the outdoor unit or air handler, looking for loose strands, corrosion, or swapped terminals. Compare each conductor to the original labeling or the furnace control board wiring diagram and confirm the cooling call is actually landing on the correct terminal on the control board. Use a multimeter to verify that the thermostat is closing the cooling circuit. With the thermostat calling for cool, measure continuity between the common reference and the cooling call terminal or check for 24-volt control voltage across the cooling and common terminals. Absence of voltage indicates either thermostat configuration or a wiring break. If you have a heat pump with a reversing valve, make sure the reversing valve output is on the correct terminal polarity for your system. Some thermostats reverse the valve energization in cooling, which, if incorrect, will prevent compressor engagement. Check the outdoor contactor coil for 24 volts when cooling is requested. If the thermostat is providing voltage but the contactor does not pull in, the contactor or its fuse may be blown, or the outdoor unit may have a locked rotor. Listen for a click and observe coil voltage under load. Verify the auxiliary devices and safety interlocks. Low pressure switch, float switch, high pressure cutout, and the control board's lockout codes can stop compressor operation. Consult the outdoor unit's fault codes and reset only after resolving the underlying cause. If wiring and power checks are correct but the compressor still does not engage, temporarily bypass the thermostat by shorting the cooling call terminal to the common at the furnace to see if the contactor pulls in. This isolates thermostat from system, and if the contactor pulls in, replace or reconfigure the thermostat. One of the biggest mistakes is incorrect thermostat system type settings that break heat pump versus conventional cooling operation. Fix by reconfiguring the thermostat to the exact system type and testing reversing valve operation. Another frequent error is miswiring the cooling call to the fan terminal or common terminal. Fix by tracing each conductor and verifying terminal labeling at both ends and using a multimeter to confirm the cooling output. The third common issue is ignoring compressor anti-short cycle protection or outdoor unit safety lockouts. Fix by waiting the 5 to 7 minute delay, checking outdoor unit fault codes, and correcting low refrigerant or pressure switch faults before forcing restarts. BigHomeProjects.com lists vetted local HVAC contractors and includes contractor profiles and real customer reviews to help homeowners find trusted professionals for thermostat installs and troubleshooting. The directory also helps contractors get more leads by connecting them with homeowners actively searching for reliable local service.